Hey my beautiful people, how you all are doing? Hope you all are healthy. Welcome back to my channel Slaying Diva. Today's video, as you have already seen right from the thumbnail, it is not about any beauty tips. Rather this year's first ever trip with my friends. तो चलिए आप लोगों को सतकोसिया टाइगर रिजर्व लेके चलती हूँ. Odisha's one of the beautiful treasures. It owes its name to the narrow stretch of river Mahanadi that is Satakos or 7 miles long near Tikarpada. So this is what the name has derived for this particular area.
again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again.
Finally, this amazing bonfire took all the limelight. Guys, if you are a real admirer of nature, then add this place in your wish list. This place will be the real treat to your eyes under budget. I'm giving the link in the description so you all could visit this place and admire the beauty of Odisha way too closely. See you all in my next video. Hope you all liked my video. If yes, then don't forget to press the bell icon. And yes, Happy New Year. Stay safe and healthy. Till then, bye bye.